Okay, so hello and welcome back. So what this is essentially a percentages practice question video where you can pause the video and like practice the questions, and if you don't understand, the explanation is right after it. So I will be posting a video on percentages and how to solve them in the foreseeable future, but I just thought this would be a good place to start with some practice questions. So it will be. So this question says, in 500 centimeters cubed of vinegar solution, 80% is vinegar. Find the volume of vinegar, the volume of water to add to make solution 62.5% vinegar by volume. So that means for part B, we must add water to the solution to make the vinegar 62.5%, which means that if we were to do 62.5% of the new value, it would give us the answer to part A. So if we want to find out the volume of vinegar, we just must do 80% of 500. So to work that out, it's just a simple 80 over 100 multiplied by 500. So then you can just cancel out the zeros and do 80 multiplied by 5, which gives us 400 centimeters cubed. So as I was saying, to work out part B, what we must do is 400 divided by 500 plus x, and let an x must be the an x is the volume of water added. So we know that we must do 400 divided by 500 plus x. So that is 400 over 500 plus x, which gives us 62.5. It gives us 62.5%, and then we must do 400 over 500 plus x will give us 0.625, and then we can kind of just plug it in. So if we do 400 equals to 0.625 open bracket 500 time plus x, that will then give us, so we'll just work that out. So if we do 0.625 multiplied by 500, that gives us 312.5 plus 0.625x, and so we can just subtract 312.5 with 400, so that would be 400 subtracted by 312.5 to give us 0.625x. So that means if we do 400 minus 312.5, that gives us 87.5 is equal to 0.625x, and obviously we want to make x our main character, so we'll just divide 0.625 by 87.5, which will give us, so we'll do 87.5 divided in 0.625, which gives us x. So if we want to work that out, we'll just do 87.5 divided by 0.625, and that will give us 140 centimeters cubed is equal to x. So in total, he adds 140 centimeters cubed of water to make vinegar 62.5, and that's how you work it out. Thank you for listening.